Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase Pro. This platform is designed for more active traders, offering advanced tools and a more favorable fee structure compared to the standard Coinbase. You'll find a sophisticated interface with real-time market data, detailed charting, and your full trade history. The best part is, if you already have a Coinbase account, you can simply use your existing login to access Coinbase Pro, making the setup process incredibly easy. Once logged in, funding your account is straightforward. You can deposit US dollars directly from your bank account. ACH transfers are free, while wire transfers typically cost $10. A popular and free option is to transfer existing cryptocurrencies or US dollars instantly from your standard Coinbase account. Be aware that using a debit card for deposits usually incurs a higher fee, often around 3.99%, so bank transfers are generally more economical. Coinbase Pro offers several order types to give you greater control over your trades. A market order executes immediately at the best available price, ideal for quick transactions. For more precision, a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell, and it will only execute at that price or better. Additionally, stop limit orders combine these, triggering a limit order once your chosen stop price is met, helping manage risk effectively. Coinbase Pro utilizes a maker-taker fee model, which is generally lower than the standard Coinbase platform, with fees ranging from 0 to 0.60% depending on your trading volume. For withdrawals, typical daily limits are around $25,000, though these can be increased with higher verification levels. Rest assured, your assets are secure with most cryptocurrencies held in cold storage, and US dollar balances are FDIC insured up to $250,000.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.